Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are diving into Lumion, a game changer in architectural visualization. I was using it a lot during my university time and honestly it's really easy to use. So if you're just starting or looking to enhance your presentation skills, maybe this can help you. Lumion has a really user-friendly interface, quickly rendering time, and realistic environments. Honestly, it's like playing Sims in a more detailed way, but this time you don't need infinite money to design your house. So I will walk through the basics from the easy comments to rendering your first project, all in a few simple steps. First, I open a model that is already existing on the examples, so you can check it out yourself if you want to. To navigate, you can right-click and look around, and use the arrows buttons to move back and forth and left and right. So this is the model already ready to be rendered with a beautiful landscape, with even people talking here and birds flying peacefully. On the down left corner, you can see several tabs like Objects, Materials, Landscape, and Weather. On the Object tab, this is where you can import your model, place natural elements, people, animals, furniture, cars, and lights. On Materials, this is how you can select an object to decide what is the material. You have a lot of options like outdoor, indoors, and various, which include natural elements. When you click on Landscape, you can decide where do you want to add grass or leave it dry. You can raise, lower, flatten, smooth the ground, or add water and ocean. In Weather, you can set the position of the sun, the time of the day, the sun brightness, and cloud amount. And there is the option Real Skies, which makes it even greater. If you want to hide or show some part of your scene, you can find the layers on the up left corner. And if you want to select the model, click on Object, Imported Models, select. And I am moving it up to see the model part that has been uploaded to Lumion from SketchUp or Rhino or whatever. So we can see that all the people, the trees, some furnitures were added in Lumion. If you go to Objects, then Place, Nature, you will see this huge tree library with a lot of different types of trees, with a lot of different species. You can delete a tree by clicking on Delete, then click on the little dot. You will see it becoming red. You can also add people, animals, people in 2D, and also cars, boats, planes, trains. And of course there are furnitures, buildings to make a background for your scenes, some lighting elements. So spend a little time exploring the Import button, Library of Object, and Material option. Like I said, this is really like playing a game. Anyone can enjoy it. Let me know if you would like a more detailed version of this video. So this is the rendering screen. First, choose a style on the up left corner. There is realistic, interior, down, daytime, etc. Then you will have some settings already set based on the style you choose. You can click on each of them to make a more detailed adjustments. When you're done with the settings, you have camera options there. When you are ready, click on Render Photos. You can also store some rendering angles here and have amazing results once rendered. The best part is that Lumion is getting better and better every year, so let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you.